What does the Sheets Help option in the Help menu do? The Sheets Help option in Google Sheets is like having a built-in guide to everything you need to know about using Sheets. It connects you to Google's official support resources where you can find step-by-step guides, explanations for functions like VLOOKUP and QUERY, and solutions to common problems, like fixing formulas that aren't working. Whether you're just starting out or diving into advanced features like macros or conditional formatting, the Sheets Help option has your back. It's a super handy tool to learn, troubleshoot, and level up your Google Sheets skills, all without leaving your spreadsheet. But if we dig deeper, we'll notice that the Help menu comes up with popular help resources first. These topics are like frequently asked questions. But if you don't find your topic here, you can use the search help by typing in what you are trying to do and get more topics catered to your request. Here I'm going to ask, how do I change the alignment of a number in a cell? The first topic is edit and format a spreadsheet. But that doesn't sound right because I want to format a cell. But as I read down the list, I don't see anything else that is more appropriate. This is why many people abandon help and give up and confirm why it's the last in the menu bar. But let's try the first topic and see what it has for us. Wow, here you will see the first header is edit data in a cell. As we read through the help, it directs us to use the options in the toolbar at the top. Reading further down the bulleted list, we find change horizontal text alignment and change vertical text alignment. Now going back to our Google Sheet, the menu is here, and as we work from left to right, we discover that the alignment buttons are in the middle of the screen. Using those buttons, we can align the number as we wish. To continue learning Google Sheets, dive into general navigation tips or dig into functions with one of these two videos next.